Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last night, Appa's family had a hot pot dinner with our friends. So after hot pot dinner, we actually have some ingredient left. Yeah, so I'm trying to use up that ingredient that we left from last night's hot pot. So I decided to make a fish soup, yeah, a milky fish soup, then add in all this inside, yeah. So definitely there's no rules as to what you need to put in because these are the leftovers from last night. Of course, I have some meat, some meatball, fish ball, crab stick, and also Japanese tofu. And how do I make the milky fish sauce? Milky fish soup. I have two pieces of small ikan senangin here. Yeah, this will be very good for making milky fish soup. And then few slices of ginger, and also the white portion of spring onion. So let's prepare a wok or the deeper pan. We're going to pan fry the fish first. Let's heat up the oil. Once the oil has been heated up, let's put in the fish. So we are going to pan fry the fish for a couple of minutes. Oops, there's some water there. This is after about 6 minutes pan frying the fish, both sides, yeah. Then we smash the fish. So this is about 1 minute after that. And let's add in some hot water. You need to add in hot water, okay? And let's bring this to a boil. Let it boil for minimum 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can put in some spring onion and also ginger. We can use a sieve to remove the scums should you see any, yeah? This will be coming from the oil actually. So once you remove the scum, your fish soup will be a lot more clearer. Alright, this is after another about 6-7 minutes. You can start seeing the soup turning milky, yeah. The other day when I used the small grouper, it's actually milkier. Alright, then you get ready a pot at the side and also with a sieve because you actually need to sieve out the bones. Right? Then I will move the fish soup back to the pot, which I quickly rinsed just now. Yeah. And let's raise the heat again. Let's give the soup a bit of seasoning here. I'm going to start by giving it some fine salt. Few dashes of premium fish sauce. You can add a little bit of sugar if you like, optional. I'm going to add in something optional as well. I have some fried garlic together with some fried garlic oil. And I will give it a little bit of Shaoxing wine. This is also optional. Then we can start putting whatever ingredient you want to put in. Some meat, crab stick, tofu, lofu, meatball. Of course, you can put in veggie. So let's cook until everything is fully cooked, then it is done. I'm going to give it a few dashes of white pepper. Simple, right? The only thing is you need probably about coming to about 10-15 minutes to make the fish soup. Last but not least, let's garnish it with some greens, yeah? Either fresh coriander or spring onion. Done. That's how simple it is to clear your whatever leftover you have. Okay, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.